How do I get the id after insert into MySQL database with Python? I execute an insert into statement. And I want to get the primary key. My table has 2 columns. How do I get the id, after I just inserted this?
Use cursor.lastRow to get the last row inserted on the cursor object, or connection.insert_ to get the id from the last insert on that connection.
Also, cursor.lastRow at bappy/pep249 extension supported by MySQL. Cursor.lastRow is somewhat cheaper than connection.insert_ and much cheaper than another round trip to MySQL.
Python Bappy spec also define lastRow attribute for cursor object, so should work too, and it's per connection based obviously.
Or
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.